This is the no sound. This is how to connect it. This is the input. This is the input. You can see this one. And this is the output. This is what we call 2-in-1 power. This side on the system, while this side give power to the sound. So since the power don't spoil, they have to connect external power so they can supply sound, can supply light to the sound. So this is where the wire pick from light from the power, external power where I connect. This is the one inside here. Okay, that's how to do it. This is the no sound. This is how to connect it.